Holy moly.
See, I'm not one to be driving fast, you feel me? I like to cruise. I like to cruise when I'm riding, you know? Call me crazy. So we're just cruising. We got a good little 50-minute drive. Not too bad. I tell you what, I do not miss those days of camber, like crazy camber. I do not miss those days. I don't like driving over bridges. I don't like it. Shit is scary, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Justin's NSX is actually fire, bro. I need to get me a damn R8 ASAP. Gen 1 V10. That's what I want. I know that's what I want for sure. But, you know, we gotta wait. We gotta wait. I think once I'm done with the Corvette, like whatever plan that I have with it, I don't even know what the plan is. But once I'm like done with it, then I could probably just go ahead and get me a Gen 1, I think. That would be so sick. What the hell is going on? Dude, I don't know what the hell is going on. Man, everybody and their mama going the same way? Holy moly. on it. I fucks with that. That shit is so clean. That shit is so clean, bro. Oh my god. I can't wait till I get my Gen 1, bro. I'm telling you. I cannot wait. Oh my god. Holy sh... That did not feel good. Car feels good though. Like, everything feels so solid. Minus the shocks because they're old, but like once I get some coils, I think that's like most of the work that needs to be done. Like, that's it. I might just get some shocks for the time being. I don't know. Maybe I'll just get some coils, like BC or silvers, or I don't know. I keep going back and forth between both. I don't really know. Shot. The NSX in the rear view. That's pretty sick. That's a sick shot. Yo, the NSX is so clean, bro. I just cannot get over that. The GTs though, the GTs are so nice. Damn, bro, your bumper's flying off. What the hell? What the helly? Oh, is that S2K? Oh, I think it is. This one is so clean, bro. I'm not gonna squeeze in there. I'm definitely not squeezing in there. I think that is the S2K. No, it looks a little different actually. We got an exit coming up. You better get in that exit lane, bro. What are you doing? You better get over. I think that's an S2K. I honestly, I can barely tell. I'm pretty sure that's an S2K. Yo, this sun is killing me right now. That shit is so clean.